Hey guys, just a quick update on what I've been doing with my garden here. I've changed some things around. Initially, this is where I had most of my garden, some of it in raised containers and old coolers, that type of thing. But they weren't doing very good here, so I've moved it around some. One, as you can see, it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, still not a lot of sun, so they're just not getting enough sun in this area. And putting some of these plants in the ground here, they became really susceptible to different bugs and caterpillars. And you can see here my collards pretty much just were totally ravished. Some of my pepper plants back here trying to survive, but again, they're getting attacked. Tomatoes, squash. This is my blueberry that I decided to put in the ground. He wasn't doing too good in a bucket, but still not doing too good here. Hasn't really produced anything this year. So hopefully I can get a few things changed around. What I've decided is I'm going to pretty much plant exclusively in containers now. So what I've decided to do is move everything to where it can get a lot more sunlight through the day. So we can see over here, we'll start on this end. I've got my rosemary. Uh, it took a little hit. I think I was overwatering it. You can see where a lot of it died off and turned brown. And since I've cut back on the watering, it's started to really green back out real good. Some green onions, doing okay. This was a cilantro that bolted and went to seed, so that's fine. I can get the seeds and grow some more cilantro. And that's my lemon bush, doing okay. See a couple lemons growing on there. These are two banana peppers that I pulled out of the ground from the back garden, and I've now replanted, so hopefully we'll start seeing some change here. Strawberries, they did pretty good last year, so but the birds got them a lot, so I've got wiring over it. Hopefully they'll do good this year. Something new, lime. Got quite a few limes growing on it, so I hope that they do well. A new blueberry bush that I just got. Love blueberries, and I like to hopefully get a lot of them. It's a Tabasco pepper here. So, yeah, this is my new setup. I'm going to continue to try to move some things around. We'll dig up and bring the jalapeno peppers that I still have back there, the tomatoes. That'll probably be about it. I'll probably just leave that squash, whether it makes it or not. We'll see. Something new that I'm trying, something I learned from someone on YouTube, is to cut root blueberry cuttings. So I started that today. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get some cuttings that'll start to root. So that's about it for the inside, or excuse me, for the outside. I don't have much room on the inside for anything. I don't have a lot of windowsill space with sunlight, but what little bit I do have, I've got a little herb garden growing. So we'll take a look at that here. This is sweet mint, doing pretty good. Light's kind of low, so it's kind of hard to see here. Peppermint. That's some cilantro. That's before it bolts. Hopefully I can get some good use out of it before it does go to bolt. And a sweet basil. But so far, they seem to like that windowsill pretty good. Just enough afternoon sunlight. The sun, as you can see, 4 o'clock is starting to go down, and then I'll have a good solid 3 hours of sunlight right through this window. But that's it. So thank you. Just wanted to share all that with you.